Welcome to Apache Kafka, Part 2, Setting Up and Configuring. This video is part of a multi-part tutorial demonstrating how to set up a simple Kafka messaging server using Docker Compose with persistent storage. The goal of this video is to configure Docker Compose for Kafka and configure the Kafka broker. Once you have the YAML file created, save it to your home drive and call it apache.yml. From the terminal type docker-compose-f apache.yml up-d. There will be activity with creating the service, pulling the image, etc. This is normal. At the command prompt, verify the container is running by typing docker ps-a. Two containers will exist, the Apache Kafka container and the Hello World. Thank you for watching this demonstration, and please be sure to watch for Part 3, creating the topics and messages in Kafka.